Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers group here with my review of OptinJoy, which launched on the 17th of February at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. So as usual in this review video, we're going to be going through exactly what OptinJoy is. It's a very, very useful product for maximizing your lead generation, I can tell you that. And there's one thing that we like in the Elite Tigers group, it's things that generate leads, so it gets an immediate yes from us. This looks promising indeed. So what will you get from OptinJoy? Well, if you click on the link underneath this video, you will get to have the exclusive bonuses that you get from signing up from the Elite Tigers group official page. You know, it's an official Elite Tigers group page because Mr. Tiger and our logo is up there. And I will go through in detail what you will get if you sign up under us. And I'll also go through the bonuses that come from the vendor, which everybody gets. And also we'll have a look at the sales funnel and show you where you must look to see the very useful demos of this product in action. So when you first come through to the bonus page, you will see my video, which will be in here. It's not actually here at the moment, but it will be. And then you can have a look at this demo video, which you should definitely watch.
Hello and welcome to OptinJoy. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to start getting leads with the OptinJoy software.
Okay, so that one is just over 3 minutes long, and I strongly recommend that you watch that, And then the other thing to make sure that you view, when you click on any of these green buttons, you will come through to the sales page, which is here, you can watch this sales video. You should definitely watch that as well. But then if you scroll down the page, is it that one? Yeah. This is the case study. So this is Dan Ashendorf, the creator of OptinJoy. Now, if you watch this, this is an actual demo in time delay that he did over 12 hours. So one night he set this system up to actually do a short affiliate quiz. What it actually is, you'll see it in here, but he set some questions about what sort of affiliate marketer are you, and people had to answer like 4 or 5 multiple choice questions and then leave their email address at the end, and you can see the results in a 12-hour period of what Dan actually achieved results wise. So they're things to watch. Now, sorry, that's the funnel. We'll come on to that in a minute. So what actually is OptinJoy? Well, it's a revolutionary software that utilizes cutting-edge technology to siphon leads on autopilot, bringing in a deluge of subscribers, traffic, and sales. It uses some never-seen-before, or a never-seen-before suite of interactive opt-in tools, and they take the form of calculators, quizzes, forms, and polls that are call to actions. Now, people are normally reluctant, as you will know, to leave you their email address unless they are getting something in return. Now, quite often lead magnets solve that problem because, you know, a book or a piece of software or some video courses, they are very attractive to people and people will opt in to get them. But what if you don't have a great supply of those to offer, or if you can't reach the people who are just sort of worn out by all the different freebies that they're being offered and they're not that interested in those? Well, this sort of call to action really works because people like quizzes, they like responding to polls and stuff like that. And then when they do that, it's an instant gratification thing. They want to know what the result is, you know. If you've done a quiz, you know, that's asked you, you know, where a particular images in 10 capital cities, and you think you've done pretty well in that quiz, or maybe you think you've done rubbish, but the point is you want to know how well you've done, and the only way you can get to know the answers of the quiz is by putting in your email address. Now, people are going to do that because having taken the quiz, they want their answers, So this sort of call to action is more attractive than almost any other type of lead magnet that you can think of. Now, this is a very newbie friendly lead capture machine. As I said, you can use these things in anywhere. The most obvious one is in social media. You can post a little quiz into groups that you're members of. What type of funny animal are you? The sort of thing. And people love this stuff. People really love this stuff, and it's an absolutely mega way of attracting new subscribers with very little effort. Social sharing for maximum results, stunning high converting templates. It works on any device, and you can access real-time stats about the entrants. So there's a lot of testimonials, as you'd imagine, about this. Some of the better testing here: 381 leads in 12 hours, 188 visitors and 30 sales made, 172 visitors and 26 sales made using OptinJoy. It's intuitive, isn't it? If you are an affiliate marketer, an internet marketer, as soon as this concept's explained to you, you sort of know that it's going to work, don't you? I mean, with certain of these products that we promote, you think, yeah, okay, that might work. You've got an idea. This was worth a try. But with this one, with OptinJoy, straight away you can sort of see the logic of it, and you think, well, there's really no way that this couldn't work, as long as the software is any good, which, bearing in mind it comes from Dan Ashendorf, it's going to be, that, But this one can't really fail, can it? So I'm pretty excited about this product, I have to say. So let's come back to my bonus page. So as I said, don't forget to watch those demos because that's all important, and watch the sales video. And then if you click on any of these green buttons before my timer here goes down to 0, then you will get my 5 bonuses as well. Now, I don't want you to miss out on these bonuses really, folks, because it's taken me a while to put them together for you. So do yourself a favour and get them before the timer goes down to 0. So the other way, the traditional way of getting leads is lead magnets. So let's cover that one as well to go in with your OptinJoy. I'm giving you a year's membership of the Surefire Wealth Library. Normally costs $147 to join this. You get 12 months membership, and you get all the latest ebooks, software, plug-in audios and videos, most of them with private label rights that you can give away to your heart's content and attract loads more people onto your list. All right, so that's worth the price alone. Item number 2 is jumpstart your email list, little known methods for inspiring people to get excited about joining your list. Number 3 is landing pages 101. Another thing that you need to attract people to your list is great landing pages. We get that covered for you. The conversion authority, learn today's top sales strategies from the foremost online gurus. And number 4, viral secrets exposed. The secret code to going viral has been cracked. Confessions of a viral media spy. And as I said, you need to click the green button before this timer hits 0 to get these. And then when you've signed up, you'll come into your JVZoo landing page here for your receipt. You click on the green button to access Dan's OptinJoy product, and then you click on the blue button there. That'll take you to a download page where you'll get my bonus. There I am at the bottom there where I used to have a moustache. So I'll let you decide whether it's better with or without. I don't know. Let's have a look at the funnel before we wrap things up here. So for your front end, it's $27, but you can get it for $25 at the moment. By the way, there is a light version for $23, but it's got a lot of the stuff missing. So you'd be silly really to go for the light version. You can create unlimited forms, unlimited polls, create unlimited quizzes, unlimited call to actions. You can share on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest, download leads, integrate with autoresponders. It's got 3 themes and tracking pixels. So what do you get for the Pro version, which is 37? You also get integration with Infusionsoft. You get 20 themes instead of 3. You get 100 templates and push notifications, and you can download the poll, quiz and calculator responses as well if that's of interest to you. So quite a lot of extras there, especially the themes and templates. You've got a lot more variety. There's also a Diamond Club for $27 a month, and that is for recurring templates and bonus monkey membership. Yeah, there's agency rights on offer at $197, and if coaching is your thing, and Dan and the team are very good, you can get 16 weeks of group training with Dan and the team for $197. So if you're not currently getting coaching from a seriously good affiliate marketer, I myself am currently participating in John Nicholson's Partnership to Success program, by the way. You can read about that on my blog, dawoodislam.com. Everybody, I would say, unless you're already a super affiliate, which most of you watching this video are not likely to be, or you wouldn't be watching this, then you need a good mentor, someone that is a super affiliate that can teach you how to get where you want to be. So Dan is certainly someone that fits that category. So either him or someone else, you definitely need good quality coaching. Let's just say that. All right. So have a look at that. And that is really it. That's the funnel. As I said, the procedure is clicking on the button underneath will bring you through to my bonus page with Mr. Tiger on. Watch the, that'll be my video, so you've already seen that. And then watch the demo video there, then come back, click on the green button, come over to the sales page and watch the main sales video at the top, and then go down to watch Dan's case study, this one with the bear. Make sure you watch this one with the bear on. This is probably the most important video of the lot to watch because it shows you a real case study of the thing in action. All right, so I'm going to recommend this 4.5 to 5 stars, folks. It's a really useful product. Leads is, you know, there's some products that are a little bit more niche for the Elite Tigers group, but the one thing that everyone in the Elite Tigers group needs is leads and names on their lists. Yeah, so this one ticks all the boxes for us. So 4.5 to 5 stars all the way, folks. Highly recommended. It's a great product. So that is it. Thanks as ever for watching and listening. This has been Dawood Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of OptinJoy.